Morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. The activity for today is is going to be regarding School Board Appreciation Month, which is the month of January. So the school board is the governing body of our school district of Katy ISD. So they have been historically extremely important in forming policies for the school and just navigation of where the school district is going, which is why we are in one of the top school districts in the state, if not the nation. And this past year required an unusual combination of skill talents from our district leaders. All the unexpected circumstances with COVID made for quick changes in laws and regulation, and the adaptability, problem solving, and teamwork of our school board, which is our leadership at the district level, was second to none. So they came through when we needed them, and it was a very daunting situation, obviously, and it's still a very fluid situation. But I don't think it is undeniable that they definitely answered the challenge. So being on the board is an elected position, and it's a volunteer effort. So our community members do not get paid to do this, but they are elected officials. It's a critically important job, and they have to go through a lot of training, and it is a lot of responsibility on their shoulders. So school board members in the entire state are the largest group of elected officials. There's more than 7,000, and that's throughout the whole state of Texas. They're anywhere from people who are farmers, doctors, business owners, retirees, and young professionals. You may see them in the community, but their contributions cannot be overstated, because they are directly influencing the success of our school district and indirectly our school. So we're going to take January to recognize the Board of Trustees, our school board trustees, and every success that we have here, in some part, we can attribute to them or previous school board members. So for Katy ISD and for our Ties Junior High, we are each going to do a little bit of appreciation. So what we've decided to do with our administration, Dr. Mitzner, and our assistant principals, is we are going to, the newest elected member is Mr. Greg Schulte. His name is right here. And we are going to write letters of thank you, just a thank you letter. And how we are doing it in class is just a folded type letter. And you're going to, I just really want it to be colorful, a note of appreciation. There's some keywords you can use here. Make sure you include his name, Mr. Greg Schulte, and make sure you include Ties Junior High, the Ties emblem, and we want it colorful. And here's the thing: make some time before Friday. Friday it is due, and just come up here and drop it off. The secretary at the front office will have a bin, and you just gotta pop in and make sure you don't need your name on it, but at least a sticky note with your name on it, if that makes sense. So you'll make your letter, get a sticky note, write your name on it, and give it to her. Okay. If you don't have a sticky note and you have to write your name on it, just make sure it's on the back. So that's what we're going to be doing for the next 2 days. I know it's not a very detailed project, but that gives you time to work on it and then turn it in on Friday. So that's what we're going to do to wrap up the week. If you'd like to make more than one, feel free. We've had some pretty cool ones. We've had some pop-up cards. We've had some people do some poems and some drawings. So feel free to do that. And if you have any questions, please reach out, and I will put the due date and a few of the important things I touched on in the module. And then especially we need to have it done. Like, it needs to be in by Friday. It is for grade. So thanks, guys.